The project is great. The amenities are nice. Sometimes the facility people, they do take some time to take action on few things. For example, garbage collection, or if there is some issue with the electricity, or if there is some issue with some kind of a socket. So they do take some time, but overall it has been great. The security is there. The guard who sits at the reception of every building, if there is somebody who is not known, he always checks with us. He calls us and just asks, if this person has come, if we can allow him, even after kind of approving them on MyGate. So that's nice. You have a very homely environment. There are a lot of children I see, they actually play till late nights also, so that ways it is pretty safe. And they also take care of all these small bugs, mosquitoes and bugs. So they do that insecticides everywhere, so that this viral infection for these mosquitoes is not there. So yeah, overall it's a good option if anybody is wanting to be a resident or want to just invest in it.
The one thing which I think is everybody who is living here has to travel to Gurgaon for office. So Gurgaon is a little far away from here. So that is one thing. But then I think this highway is always there, which makes it easy to commute on a daily basis. You can see we have a club, very well organized, very well maintained. And I think the population of the society is also, you will not see it, it's not too crowded. You will see lot many parks. You will see a running track also. So I think that way the society is quite calm.
तो अभी मुझे यहाँ पे रह के मुझे 6-7 साल हो गए, तो अभी तक का मेरा जो भी रिव्यू है इस सोसाइटी के अंदर तो बहुत अच्छा रहा है। और यहाँ का सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि पूरे गुड़गांव में जितनी साफ़ सफाई नहीं नज़र आते ना, उतनी हमें हमारे सोसाइटी में आती है। और जो ग्रीनरी, वो जो कैंपस है, इन्होंने जिस तरीके से लोकेशंस चुना है, और एक तो अरावली हिल्स है, तो उसके वजह से बहुत सुंदर लगता है, फ्रेश लगता है।
I've been staying here from past 2 years, and my overall experience with the society has been good. The only drawback which you might feel is that if you don't have a transport to communicate, then it might be a hassle because still the connectivity is an issue in this area. But everything is nearby and you can reach out to different places. If you want something to eat or you want to buy something, you can buy easily. You have a very good community center where you can work out for yourself and swim. The people are humble, they all are working, so they understand each other's privacy.